Dalgona coffee recipe, whipped coffee. Dalgona coffee, also known as whipped coffee, became a viral sensation for its creamy, frothy texture and cafe-style look made with just a few simple ingredients. It's the perfect pick-me-up drink that you can prepare at home in just a few minutes. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons instant coffee, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons boiling water, 1 cup milk, chilled or warm as per preference, ice cubes as required. Method: in a mixing bowl, add instant coffee, sugar, and boiling water. Whisk the mixture using an electric hand mixer, or whisk by hand, though it takes longer, until it becomes thick, frothy, and forms soft peaks. In a serving glass, add ice cubes and pour in the milk. Gently spoon the whipped coffee mixture on top of the milk. Mix well before drinking or enjoy it layered for presentation. Tip: you can adjust the sweetness by reducing or increasing the sugar. For a flavored twist, sprinkle cocoa powder, cinnamon, or even a drizzle of caramel on top.